Anthropic just raised 63 or 65 billion dollars. Let me think about it. That's 65,000 millions, right? 65,000 millions. Like, making $1 million is one thing. Making $100 million a year is another. Making $100 million, like Hormozi did in 3 days, is like, holy shit, impressive. Specifically from the fact that Hormozi spent 4 or 5 years giving value, never sold a single thing to his audience. And 5 years of work over 3 days made him 9 figures. Okay? Anthropic just raised. It's not like they made that kind of money, although they're on a run rate to do almost $100 billion a year. I think right now they're at a $45 billion run rate, yearly run rate. That means that they make $4 billion, a little under $4 billion a month. They started this year at a $9 billion run rate. Are you clocking that? There's so much money going to this whole thing that guys, just hold on. Just hold on. Like, like if I put this car in sport mode and I just say, hold on, just hold on. Like, that's what I mean by like, guys, let's just hold on. Okay? Just hold on as long as you can and just stay in the game. Survive long enough. And we're about to print so much money. But stay at the forefront of it. Just stay at the forefront of it. Please, please, please. Stay locked in. Control your emotions. Don't get too high. Don't get too low. Right? And when I mean don't get too high, I literally mean don't get too high. Don't smoke weed. Don't get drunk. Don't do dumb shit. Don't do drugs. Maintain your level of your baseline of emotions and your dopamine system. Keep it steady. Keep it almost like get to a state where you almost feel like you're a zombie. Okay? And what I mean by that is the best decisions, the best success is achieved after a long period of time of pure boredom. When you wake up and do the same thing all day, every day, and you don't expect to get a quick hit that day. 1 second. A red light. What was I saying? The best outcomes come after a long period of time of doing the same boring shit. But unfortunately, you cannot stick to something that's hard for a long period if you're depressed or if you're too excited, because you're going to want to feel good all the time, and you're going to chase pleasure, dopamine, and work does not feel good. Work does not feel good at all. Like, work is boring. Work is empty. Real work is grunt work in the trenches. You don't feel like it, but you still got to do it. And it's really hard when you have zero willpower left because you fried your dopamine pleasure system. I urge you guys to understand how the dopamine system works, learn about it, understand how your body regulates itself. When you go up, it brings you back down. And when it brings you back down, it doesn't bring you back down to the baseline. It brings you lower than the baseline.